Now let's explore how to use the section title widget of the classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on this widget and search for the section title. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the general, here you can add your class name for customizing this section title, and this is the alignment option. Here you can choose your preferred option. The next one is title, and here you can enter your prefix title. The next one is main title. Enter your main title here. The next one is suffix title. Here you can enter your preferred title. And the next one is title size. Here you can choose your preferred title size. And the next part is subtitle. Here you can enter your subtitle. The next one is title heading tag. Choose your preferred tag here. And next one is subtitle position. Here you can choose top or bottom. And the next part is lead. Here you can add your lead text, and here you can choose the tag for the lead. The next part is separator, and here you can choose the type of the separator. Let's choose border pattern, and here you can choose the shape of the separator, and let's choose dotted, and here you can set width for the separator. And the next part is content. Here you can enter your content for the section title. And the next part is button. Here you can enable disable the button, and this is the button type. Choose your preferred button type here. The next one is text. Here you can enter your button text, and in the link field you can enter the URL for the button, and here you can choose your preferred alignment for the button. And next is the size. Here you can choose the preferred size for the button. And the next option is icon. Select your preferred icon, click on and insert. And the next one is icon position. Here you can choose before or after. And the next one is icon spacing. Here you can change the icon space. And the final one is button ID. Here you can enter your unique ID for the button for customizing this particular button. Next, let's moving on to the style area. And here you can see the title prefix color. Here you can choose the preferred color for the title prefix, and this is for main title color. Choose your preferred color here. And the next one is title suffix color. Here you can choose your preferred color for suffix. And the next one is title margin. Here you can see outer space for the title. Let's give 10 pixels for each side. And the next one is title padding. Here you can set the inner space value for the title. Let's give 10 pixels for each side. And the next one is title spacing. Here you can set preferred size space for the title. And the next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the section title. And the next one part is subtitle. Here you can change the subtitle color, and in subtitle spacing set the preferred space. And in the typography, here you can change font family and font style for the subtitle. And the next part is separator. Here you can change the separator color. And next you can change the separator weight. And next one is gap. Here you can change the separator space. And the next part is lead. Here you can change the lead text color, and here you can give lead spacing. The next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style of the lead text. The next part is content. Here you can change the content color, and let's change the content space now here. And the next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style of the content. And the next one is button, and here you can set shadow for the button, and let's change the color for the normal view, and let's change the background color. Next, let's change color in the hover. You can add hover text color here, and next you can add hover background color, and here you can add border color. And the next option is hover animation. Here you can choose your preferred animation. And the next one is border type. Here you can choose your preferred border type. And the next option is border radius. You can enter your preferred value for the border radius. And the next option is box shadow. Here you can change the options for the box shadow. And next one is padding. Here you can enter the value for button inner space. And the next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the button text. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.